Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel all about chemistry. Hope you all are fine. My name is Sana Alam and today we will discuss the topics branches of chemistry and empirical and molecular formula. The difference between empirical formula and the molecular formula. So let's get started. All are very much familiar to the term chemistry. So students, what is chemistry? Yes, chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the composition of matter, structure of matter, physical and chemical properties of matter, energy changes in matter during physical and chemical changes. Now we will discuss branches of chemistry. There are different branches of chemistry. The main branches of chemistry are as follow. Number 1, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry, and analytical chemistry. Students, we will discuss these branches of chemistry one by one. Number 1, physical chemistry. What is physical chemistry? Yes, physical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with laws and theories. To understand the structure and changes of matter is called physical chemistry, as you can see in this picture. Number 2, organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the substance containing carbon. It's called organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is simply carbon chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with elements and their compounds, except organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means organic compounds, means carbon containing compounds, is called inorganic chemistry. As you can see in this picture, inorganic chemistry. Biochemistry, as the name indicated, biochemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with physical and chemical changes that occurs in living organism is called biochemistry. Like as you can see in this picture, living chemistry, environmental, proteins, amino acids, DNA, food, medical research, etc. Industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and use of technology in the large scale production of useful substances is called industrial chemistry. Next is nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the changes that occurs in atomic nuclei is called nuclear chemistry. As you can see, the fusion and fission. Next, environmental chemistry. Students, what is environmental chemistry? Yes, environmental chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the chemical and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effects on human being is called environmental chemistry. As you can see in this picture, environmental chemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the method and instruments for determining the composition of matter is called environmental chemistry. Example, spectrum. Now students, our next topic, empirical formula and molecular formula. Student, what is the difference between empirical formula and molecular formula? Did you know? Empirical formula of the compound is the chemical formula that gives the simplest whole ratio of atoms. As you can see in this picture, empirical formula that gives the simplest whole ratio of atom. And molecular formula, what is molecular formula? Molecular formula gives the actual whole number ratio of each element present in a compound. Like molecular formula is P4O10 and empirical formula is P2O5. Simplest whole ratio, and here actual whole number ratio. Second example, C10H22 and the empirical formula C5H11. Molecular formula C6H18O3 and here empirical formula C3H6O and so on. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Hope you all have understood the concept very clearly. So thank you so much. If you like my video, if you enjoyed my video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.